Good morning, guys. It's me, Brandy, and it's been quite some time since I have sat down with you guys. I have some crazy stuff happening in my life. My schedule has changed pretty crazily. I've got, I'm working longer days, which kind of makes it harder to record videos later at night, but I'm getting my groove back, as my husband would say, and I'm going to start doing scheduling time to do videos and Instagram content and everything. So today I'm super excited because I promised you guys when I opened up my Ipsy bag and my boxycharm that I was going to do a look with all of my items from my Ipsy and my boxycharm, so that's what we're gonna do today. So first I have this Gen Skin, and this was in my boxycharm, and these are eye patches. So I'm gonna put these on first, and I'm going to sit with these on my skin for a little while. Let's see, I'm gonna read the directions real quick. Let's see, it says use the enclosed mini spatula to lift and separate a patch. Apply a patch to clean, dry under eye area. Repeat on the other eye. Wait approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Gently peel off patches. Lightly massage the remaining serum into the skin around and under the eye area for maximum results. So that's what we're going to do. So we've got, this is what it looks like. This really cute little spatula. These are super brightly colored. So these are really cooling on my face. I do like that. And I like using eye patches like this on my eyes. Probably like 3 times a week usually. So that's good. So I have this Cream Shop Rose Gold Mask. I don't know if I want to actually use this right now, especially because it's not going to do much for my face. So I'll go ahead and just leave this, and then I have these nails, so I think I'm going to apply these nails while I'm waiting for my eye. So I don't know which ones I want to do. I have these purple ones, or I have these sparkly ones. My daughter says sparkly ones, so I'm going to apply these sparkly ones. These should only take a short amount of time to do. And we are going to apply these nails. So I used to actually go and get my nails done, but that's expensive and nobody wants to have to do that. So I am going to apply these to my nails, but I'm going to use the little orange stick that comes with it, and I'm going to push them down. So I'll do that with all my nails, and then I'll be back. Okay, so when I do my nails, I always make sure that they have no like previous residue on them. So I clean them off usually with like either alcohol, which is really good to get all of the oils off your fingers, or I'll use nail polish remover, which is also very good to get all of the extra stuff off your nails. You don't use the one with like lanolin and stuff in it, only because that's going to deposit oil onto your nails and you don't really want the extra oil. So that's kind of how I do that, and that's how my fingers look right now. And then the other thing you do is you take the little emery board they give you and you kind of lightly rough it up a little bit. Just the top of the nail. and you kind of get the whole entire nail. So kind of just put like little score marks in there. Plus this will help with any like dead pieces of your, not dead, but like patchy pieces of your nail. So if you have any like patchy pieces on your nail, then it'll actually take it off, which helps to adhere the nail to your nail. Now when I do these nails and I put them on with glue, they usually last me, I would say they usually last me about, I'd say at least a week. Sometimes they last a little longer, like maybe 10 days before they just pop off. But I also am I use my hands a lot. So like at work, I'm constantly using my hands. I'm constantly like putting gloves on and taking them off. So that definitely is part of how long they'll last. Like if you're somebody that doesn't do a lot, then these nails will probably last up to 2 weeks on you. So after I rough it off, I'm gonna go back through with the NYX Professional. The one that I have is Onyx Professional Nail Polish Remover. So we're ready to go. So this is the glue that comes with it. It says Ace Beauté on it. And it has a little like thing here. So I like to find the size for my nail, and then after I've found the size, I will apply it. Now you want to get a size that fits your nail, but it's not so, like, you want it to go side to side, but you don't want it to go past the side. I don't know if that makes sense, but if it goes past the side, then you're gonna have issues with lift. So like when I go to push the nail down, like you can see that it is too big. See, it's like in my nail, side of my nail. So I'm gonna try this size. I feel like this size is probably good. So I always apply a little bit of glue to the nail. And then a little bit of glue to my own nail. So for the thumbnail, it'll be probably 2 full drops. And then on the other nails, it'll be like half a drop on each side. Now I'll hold the nail down, because if you don't hold the nail down, it won't bond. But this should dry fairly quickly, and this is actually like a gel. So because it's a gel, it'll be easier to like control. When it's like actually like super glue, it's really like fluid and it's kind of hard to control it, which that always sucks. So I hold this down. I usually count to like, I don't know, I'll count to like 30. I haven't actually counted, but I'm watching the timer. So doo-dee-doo-dee-doo. So that is what it looks like, and it's really pretty. So I always do one hand first, and then I do the other hand later. Also try to make sure that I do not put my hands in water within a few hours after I've done them, just because once you put your hands in water, it weakens the nail. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and run through and put the rest of these on, and I'll be right back. 15 minutes have passed. I'll take those off. And my nails are done. This is Hydro Serum, and this is for your hair. I am not going to be doing my hair on this video. I just don't have the time to do my hair right now. So, sorry. But, I mean, I will use it. It's going to be something I use. So, and this is Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. And this was from boxycharm. And this says it targets the signs of aging, fine lines, wrinkles, and large pores and uneven skin tone. So, I have not put, all I have done is cleaned my face and that's it. So, I am going to put this on next, and it says the directions: apply to cleansed skin, a drop to each cheek, forehead, chin, and under eyes. 2 to 3 times per week, gradually increasing frequency as tolerated. So, 1 drop. Holy shit. I don't think that that's supposed to do that. Like, that's dripping everywhere. So 1 drop to the forehead, 1 drop to a cheek. Oh goodness, if this is gonna be super greasy, I might have to give it away. Even if it targets fine lines. Or I'll just do it at night because so this is the serum. So we'll see if it ends up being good or not. I mean, my skin does feel like hydrated, and so if it works on my forehead, that will be great. All right. So next we will do, what else do I have? I have this deep hydration serum, but I'm not going to put, two different serums on. I don't know if they'll react with each other. So I will try this one. This was from Ipsy. So I'll try that one soon, just not yet. Guess I'm not trying everything. So now I have this Juice Beauty, which I actually like Juice Beauty quite a bit. And this is SPF 30 oil-free moisturizer. I'm getting ready to finish up my glow recipe, so this will be one that hopefully will be able to, you know, replace it. So I got that much. This has SPF 30 and it smells good. So this has SPF 30 and it's broad spectrum. It says it's oil free, which will be helpful since I just put a bunch of oil all over my face. Hydrate, protect, and maintain your skin's natural moisture balance with this lightweight zinc broad spectrum. It has zinc in it though, so you can see that my skin's turning pink. That's the zinc. So it's like a different color. I don't mind the sunscreen, honestly. I like sunscreen. It's helpful. But my skin does look pretty pink. If I end up liking that, it'll be good. Let's see. I don't think that I got like any like under eye serums or anything. So I think maybe what I'll do is I'm gonna use my e.l.f. eye cream right here. So this is something that I use pretty much every day, and I feel like I see a difference in my under eye with it. I did not get this in any of my subscription bags. That's why I didn't show it to you, but yeah. You guys have seen it a million times. And it just helps with like depuffing and stuff. I don't really want to put foundation just because if you guys know, you already know, I'm not a big foundation person. So I'm going to use this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. And this I'm just going to put in the spots that I always put it. And then of course to conceal some of my acne, which hopefully will improve pretty soon. I'm telling you, like, all of the crazy shit in my life has been just taken over. So hopefully I'm finally holding my footing. Let's see. You know what? Here, I'll tell you all about the crazy stuff. So it's mainly work stuff. At work, I don't know if you remember, but I was running the COVID center, and I was helping facilitate the vaccine clinics for COVID, for the COVID vaccine, right? So I was doing that, and I recently got moved to a different path. So I had to learn a whole nother department, basically. One that I had never done before. And it's different because I had pretty much done every department in that building except the one that I got moved to. And that's fine. I actually wanted to learn more. So I'm not like mad at that at all because that's, you know, me. I love to learn new things and master new things, I guess would be the way to put it. And so when they asked me if I wanted to go over there, I was like, hell yeah, I'll go over there. So I went over there. But while I was learning the new job, I was still running a lot of aspects of the COVID center and the vaccination clinics. So I was working, I go in at 6:30 in the morning and I get off at 6 o'clock at night. I work 4 days a week, so I have Thursday, Friday, Saturday off. And the great thing is that I have those days off with my kids and my husband. The bad thing about that is that I don't have any time to myself to like film or anything. So I just need to learn to take like one day. Maybe not the whole day, but like a few hours Saturday morning or a few hours Friday morning or a few hours Thursday morning to just sit down and just film. Because honestly, I love filming. It's one of my favorite things to do, filming and makeup, right? So it sucks when you're not able to do those things. And I love my family, so I definitely want to be with them also. It's just hard to do both. So next I have from Basic Beauty, I got this Bronzy AF bronzer palette, I guess is what you would call it. And I don't know if I looked at it, looks like this. So I feel like this shade's probably too light. That one might be a good bronzer color. So let's see. We have Natural, Cinnamon, and Bad and Bronzy. So I'm going to use my bronzing brush, and I'm going to go into that middle shade first. And we'll see. It's a good color. Normally I go in with a cream bronzer first, and then I kind of overlap with a powder bronzer. Like I'll just kind of set it with powder. So the fact that I just went straight in It's a little different. But I feel like it's a good color. I don't know that it's blending very well. Probably because I'm doing it over top of, like, I didn't put creamer down first, so. I feel like it looks good. Let's see. I don't normally bronze or contour down here, but I really want to try it and see. If it looks any better. I don't know. You guys will have to let me know down below. What do you think? So with that, I'm going to go back over this area here, just so that it is more defined. Ugh, itchy eyeball. Okay, that's not bad. So let's see, I'm gonna swatch all 3 shades for you guys. So I would say this one's a little more warm, this is kind of a neutral, and then this is more cool. So they're not bad all in all. I'm glad it was sent to me. It's always nice to have a new bronzer palette. And you know, you could use those for eyeshadows too, if you really decided that you needed to do that. Obviously, I don't have to do that because I have way too many eyeshadows, but some people would do it, I'm sure. Oh, why am I keeping that? Okay. So I'm going to put that bronzer right here so I can use it a little more. All right, so next I have blush. So I have this Oriza, like huzzah. And this is what it looks like. It is very pretty. I like the packaging on this. Like, it's all plastic, but I like that there's like, I don't know, it's just like easy. So I'm gonna run my brush across there. Ooh, that's a pretty color. I feel like you could, like, say you're darker complected, you could just use this. And if you're lighter complected, you could use this. And I'm kind of medium, so that's why I'm using the whole palette. The whole little blush color. I don't know if y'all think that is good or if you think that is too much, but it's okay with me, regardless of how y'all think. I'm going to use this and just kind of buff out those edges, just so that it blends nicely. It blended good. I think it's a pretty color. I feel blushy. I feel blushy. So next I got this Hip Dot, which y'all know I love Hip Dot. And this is a 4-shade face palette. So there's a couple blushes, a highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and just, that's the highlight, the blush. That blush is really bright. Those are nice. They're pretty. Now, I'm not going to put blush since I already did. But I'm going to use a highlight. So I don't know which one, since that's kind of like an orangey color for the blush. Maybe I'll use this run called Radiance right here, which is probably like a partially, like, almost like a glowy blush, maybe. So I'm not gonna go too into it, and kind of just yeah, that definitely looks like a glowy blush. That's pretty. Wonder if it's a little too dark on me. I'm gonna go into sheer and kind of layer it over. Okay, so I think it looks nice layered like that. Alright, so next I'm going to dip into this Illamasqua palette, and we are going to do an eye look. Let me get the side that I opened already, because I opened one side of this already with y'all. Now I'm going to go ahead and throw the container away, because I am going to keep this palette, so I don't need to keep the container. I'm not giving it away or anything like that. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. It's pretty. It has all kinds of shades. Now the shade names are written on the insert, so there's that. I think I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you. These are the shades. I like the shimmers. The mattes, I mean, the mattes look like they're gonna perform okay, so we'll see. They were soft, so that's just a quick little swatch of those. And I'm just gonna do a simple eye look. I'm not doing anything like super exciting or complicated or anything like that. There's a new trend that they've been doing on TikTok, and it's like a backwards cat eyeliner, or under cat eyeliner or something. So I think I'm gonna try to do something like that today with this palette, just because the colors are like a good like color for it all. So first I'm gonna take I'm gonna take an eyeliner, just a soft eyeliner, and I'm gonna use it underneath. Let's see if I can find one that's just like a simple, we'll do simple like a brown, which I've got one here. Now I'll use this pure one. So do not make fun of me, boys and girls, because I've never done this before. I don't know, people have said that this is like something that people did a lot, and I don't ever remember anyone doing it this way, so we'll see. Alright, so you kind of just put this under your eye. Like that, I guess. And then you take a small, we'll take a smaller brush than that, a smallish brush, and you go into a dark color shadow and you smoke it out. And then you take that and you kind of, I'm going to use a different brush for this part. I'll use this one. So I'm just going to use like an angled brush, and you like that, kind of, I guess. I don't know. And then you kind of wing it out on the inner corner. So again, this is nothing that I've ever done before, so I'm going to go ahead and take it on the upper lash just a little bit. Weird. And everybody wants to do this. I think I'm gonna do video for you guys doing like a full face of TikTok hacks, just because this is a TikTok hack and I don't know if that looks good or not, so maybe it looks good, maybe it doesn't. So that's reverse cat eye. I am going to do a little bit more than that. I'm gonna go in with a couple of mattes in my lid area just to kind of balance it out, because y'all know I am a shimmer girl. So this is a step out of the box for me. So I'm going to go in with this chutzpah. Oh, that's nice. Chutzpah, huh? I'm going to go in on the other side with Fearless in the front. And then I'm going to take a big fluffy type of brush and I'm going to go in with a sherd. I'm just going to kind of dust that on my brow bone. It's just a lighter color. I don't know, maybe I'm not supposed to do that, but I just put a little bit of Empower on the outer corner. So I'll put Empower on the outer corner and kind of above this. I'm pretty sure I wasn't supposed to do that, but whatever. I can do whatever the fuck I want. It's my face, right? Maybe it's not considered a reverse cat eye if I do all that. As a matter of fact, I think it's definitely not a reverse cat eye if I do all this other stuff. But that's okay. I don't fucking know. I don't know. What do you guys think? Does it look okay? Does it look weird? Does it look crazy? I don't know. I'm not even trying anymore, like, to see if that's as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna do the other eye for sure. Oh, you know, I forgot to do one thing on the other side. I put a sherd, just a lighter shade on my brow bone. And I don't know if you noticed, but I did not go in with any primer on my eyeballs. So, we'll see. The shadows still look pretty good. without going in with it, so that should be a good thing. I got this eyebrow pencil from Ipsy, I want to say, and it's called Brow Chow. So it comes with a little tiny brush, a cute little brush. It really is cute. So let's get both sides, why not? And then the other side is a little tipped, I don't know, we'll see how this works. So the color might be a tad bit too dark. But I'm not super mad at it. It doesn't look bad. That was cute. Okay, so I'm gonna take this little side of this brush and I'm just going to brush it through just so it looks a little more natural. So it doesn't look like I just painted my brows on, because I don't like that look at all. I like them to look kind of natural. So there's that. I am, however, going to take a Q-tip and I'm going to run along the edge so that it's not bleeding into my forehead. See, that was kind of a lot of product. So, because I really don't want to have the product bleeding into my forehead. It actually looks pretty good. Now, no, not last. I have this lip oil from Basic Beauty. So Basic Beauty was also from the bronzer that I used. Oh yeah, this is the one that smelled like coconut. Yeah, that feels really good on my lips. I should have did that a long time ago. So let's see. Next, I will put some mascara. Which one? I think I'm going to use this Totally Tubular, and I can't remember. I either got it in Ipsy or boxycharm. I like this one. It works. It does the job. This is a long fucking video. Oh my god. Good thing I'm going to edit down all of the stuff in the beginning, because a lot of it was just applying nails and... But yeah, this shit is long. I'm already at like an hour and 15 minutes. Way too long for my likes. Okay. So this is a look. What do you guys think? I have never tried this before, so that's a little different. I don't think it looks bad. It just looks different. I like it. I think my nails look really pretty. I think they are sparkly and gorgeous. Look at that. They're almost holographic, which I just love them. So those are nice. And I think that I look really pretty. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope that you were able to stick around for the entire, I don't know, the entire thing, the entire, makeover. So I really, really appreciate all that you guys do. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon.